Students, let's understand one more English lesson. Open your textbook, page number 29, Unit 2, I want. Let's read. I want to be big, says little monkey. This is a story about this little monkey. This monkey is telling that I want to be big. I want to be strong. You all also tell no that we want to big, we want to strong. Like this monkey is also telling मुझे भी बड़ा बनना है, मुझे भी strong बनना है. A wise woman hears him. At that time, a wise woman, like a fairy, hears him. Take this magic wand. And she told the monkey that you take this magic wand, means magic stick. She says, and all your wishes can come true. If you take this magic wand, all your wishes can come true. A giraffe comes by. He stretches his long neck. At that time, one giraffe came there, and that giraffe, you all know that giraffe has long neck. So giraffe stretches his long neck. He eats the sweet leaves at the top of the trees, and by stretching his long neck, he eats the sweet leaves which are there on the trees. I want a long neck, says little monkey. The monkey saw this, so monkey thought that I also want a long neck. Pop! And he turned his magic wand, and then his neck grows long, just like the giraffe's. And he also got long neck like giraffe. Little monkey is happy. Now little monkey is also happy. An elephant comes down to the river. After that, one elephant also came there near river. He fills his trunk with water. That elephant filled his trunk with water. He blows it all over himself, and he blows that water on his body. I want to do that too, says little monkey. Little monkey saw all this, and he thought, I also want to blow the water on my body like this elephant. Again he used that magic wand. Bang! And then what happened? Let's see. Turn the page, all of you. Page number 30. Just like that, he grows a trunk, and he also got the trunk like elephant. Now he has a neck like giraffe and trunk like elephant. He is very happy. This is fun, he says. Next, little monkey sees a zebra. I want stripes like those, he says. And he saw zebra, and he wants stripes which are there on zebra's body. Whiz! Again, through his magic wand, he got stripes on his body. Little monkey has stripes all over his body, just like the zebra, and he also got stripes all over his body. He is very, very happy. That monkey is very, very happy now, because now he got neck like zebra, trunk like elephant, and stripes like zebra. He goes to the river to try out his new trunk, and then the monkey goes to the river. He looks down. He looks down in water. He sees himself in the water. He sees himself, his reflection in the water. Mother, he cries, help, a monster. As he saw himself in the water, he cries that Mama, help, a monster. A monster means devil came there. That's not a monster, says his mother. And his mother told that that's not a monster, that's you. वो कोई monster नहीं है, कोई राक्षस नहीं है, वो तो तुम ही हो. You want a giraffe's neck, an elephant's trunk, and stripes like a zebra. तुमको ही चाहिए थी neck, जिराफ जैसी neck, elephant जैसी trunk, and stripes like zebra. Don't you remember? His mother told that you yourself ask all these things. Little monkey cries and cries. अभी वो little monkey रोने लगा. I look awful, he says. मैं नहीं अच्छा दिख रहा हूँ. I want to be myself again. मैं जैसा था मुझे वैसा ही बने रहना है. I don't want all these things. He cries. There is a pop, a bang and a wheeze. Little monkey is himself again. फिर से मैजिक वॉन्ड घुमा और वो फिर से जो मंकी जैसा था वैसा हो गया. लिटिल मंकी इज हिमसेल्फ अगेन. He jumps for joy. Now he is happy. Now see on next page. He throws the magic wand into the river. See here in the picture you can see how he saw his reflection in the water. And then what he has done, he throws the magic wand into the river. Now he doesn't want that magic wand. He never wants to be anyone else again. अभी से और कुछ नहीं बनना था. वो जैसा है उसको वैसा ही पसंद था. So this is a beautiful story. I hope you all have enjoyed. So you also read this story one more time.